Alright everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we have my Kel-Tec PF9. So I'm going to review two products for it today. I've got one thing which is the magazine extender, and it also is a grip extender. If you guys see how short this is, it's pretty short. Pinky is pretty much, you don't have a lot of grip. Nothing in there, obviously. It's clear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rounds out of the magazine, and I'm going to put this extension on there. And this is the Kel-Tec extension, straight from Kel-Tec. I believe it was like $18. And then what I also have is this in the waistband holder. It doesn't have really any adjustments, but it's pretty well form fitted for it. If you look at it, it's got, the dimples and whatever. And it seems to lock in pretty well. Comes out kind of hard, but in the waistband. Oh yeah, get it, buddy. Somebody's doing a burnout out there. It seems to hold it pretty well, maybe too well. And I think after a little bit of use, it'll probably lighten up. So let's go ahead. Take these rounds out. I know, for anybody comments, oh, you need to clean your gun, blah, blah. Yes, I do. So from what I understand, there is this little button on the end of here. Supposedly, you push it down, okay, and then this should slide forward like that. See how there's a space there now? And we should be able to slide that off. Now there's a spring in here, so I'm gonna try and hold it with my other finger. Hope it doesn't like do that, but I'm not reusing that piece, so we'll be fine. All right, simple enough, right? Let's get our extension. Just go ahead and pick that. It's got instructions. Go ahead and put the spring back in here. And if I understand it correctly, you slide, put that back in there, slide. So you gotta oh, okay. It's not too small. Just gotta apply some pressure. That's just me being fragile with the thing. So you slide it all the way back, like so. And then, if I'm not mistaken, you push that, yep, to where it pops into there. And then this should lock down straight onto there and make a clip or, yep, pop. There we go. Yeah, it looks, I mean, it's not exactly flush, but it's it's better. All right, guys, I'm back. I didn't want to forget this piece down there. This is the standard flat. So I'll go ahead and make a comparison of the thickness difference. It's definitely a lot thicker. There should be a lot more grip on that. So I'll set that there. Load that in there. Oh yeah, that's much better. Look how much more room I have. That's just like, oh man, that's so much better. It's a lot more room. A lot more room. Yeah, that feels a lot better. I think too, with having a little bit of extra back here. Huh. It's not exactly flush if you look at it. It's like a gap all the way around. I don't know. Maybe that's just, I don't know why that gap's there. It's kind of weird. Okay. Well, that is what it is. Comes out. Pops back in. Yeah, I mean, for 18 bucks plus shipping, definitely makes the gun a lot easier to handle. It should slot right back in here, about the same. Yeah, I mean, obviously it wouldn't make a difference. All right, well, I'm gonna change camera angles real quick, and I'm gonna throw that holster in, and we'll see how easy it is to take it in and out. All right, guys, here we are back. Standard shirt in the waistband holder. I just got it kind of on my hip. Seems to be fairly comfortable. I don't think it'd be too bad. This is the Detroit Kydex in the waistband holster. There's about $34, $35 off of Amazon. If you guys want links to any of this stuff, I'll put it in the description. Or I'll just put it in there anyways. I mean, it's definitely, it's not leather, so it's not soft on you, but I don't see it as being too uncomfortable. I sat up and down with it a few bit. Shimmy and shake. Here it is. Obviously, always make sure that there's no rounds when you're testing out new things. Put that back in there. Nothing chambered. Nice little click there. Shirt over. Yeah, I mean, you can see some pretty good imprintation and imprint. If you spend like $50 and get the Galco one, I believe it's like leather and it's supposed to hide it, and you can actually set how high it sits on here. But let's see. Oh, pulled right out. Yeah, that mechanism is super tight. Let's try that again. Make sure it's under the belt. Under the belt so it holds it. And still kind of pulling hard. Lock it in place. Shirt down. Not a good indentation. Got it. And then up. It definitely pulls up for sure. But then again, these are my work jeans, and it's not too, like, my pants are not super tight. See, it's like flexing a lot. So maybe in some standard jeans, but I mean, if you had to have it, if you just wanted to carry it and know you had something there, yeah, you definitely see that. Pop it. It's not too bad. Try that again. Got my shirt in there this time. See how this goes. Hand on it. Pop. Keep throwing my shirt in there. Alright, one more time. Back holster. Nice little click. I don't think you'd ever have to worry about it coming out. It's the getting it out part that I think might be an issue. If you didn't have some practice with it. I've never had it in the waistband holder, so I'm definitely going to have to practice with it. That wasn't too bad. Let's go ahead. Holster it. Do that one more time. It's not bad. Not bad. Okay. So that is the install of the magazine and magazine extender and pistol holster for the PF9. I do like that extension. Definitely makes it a lot easier to handle. And yes, I know I need to clean But that's it. I just figured if anybody had one of these, this extension seems like a really good deal. I would suggest getting that. This holster, I don't know. I probably need to order another one. Maybe one that actually, where you can set the canter and the angle and possibly be a hip. Because I don't think this one's going to be, or not a hip, but like a rear hip, like back here. I just don't know. I think it might be suitable. I can see it definitely like hitting when you sit down. But that's not too bad. I'm just my shirt getting in the way again. Yeah, it's not too bad. Alright guys, so I would definitely suggest going out and getting the extension, the holster. Maybe I'll do a follow-up review on it and see how good or bad it actually is, but that's all I got for you guys today. Remember, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, engage, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.